Welcome to this week's episode of the Weekly Walkthrough, where each week I feature a home or a property that I think is a great opportunity. This home happens to be my latest listing and is in the master plan community of Tartesso, which is located in Buckeye, Arizona. Built in 2017 by DR Horton, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home with a 2-car garage. It's 1,458 square feet and it's on a 34 square foot lot, and there's no one behind you, and it backs up to a wash, and it's just down the street from this great little park down here. This home is offered at $340,000, so let's head inside and take a look at this beautifully maintained home. It's got a cute little porch out here. I love the security gate on here. That's really nice. When we have cooler nights, you can open this up and still feel safe and have a cross breeze that opens up to the back. So come on in. So you walk in, this cute little foyer right here. You've got laminate floorings, coat closet. This is right off your 2-car garage. You've got this nice laundry room here. Washer and dryer is included. There are no carpets in this home. It's laminate and tile flooring only. Got this nice open space, great room into the kitchen. No formal dining, so you have this space here for your dining. Lots of windows, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. You've got your gas stove, which is great. Microwave. Nice sized pantry here. Lots of counter space. Storage. Bathroom number 1. Full bath. Got bedroom 1 here. These are nice sized bedrooms. And tile flooring throughout. Coming out of bedroom 1, across the way is your 2nd bedroom. She's using this as an office. Does have a walk-in closet as well, which is great. Nice sized bedrooms, as I mentioned before. Let's head out. Heading out from bedroom 2, go to our primary. This back door also has the security screen on it, so you can leave that open. And here's your primary. Ceiling fans throughout. Your primary bathroom with dual vanity. 3/4 bath, which means there's just a shower in here and no bathtub. Lots of great storage in here. Walk-in closet. So again, 1,458 square feet. Well spaced out, nice neutral palette in here. Let's head to the backyard. Got this little covered patio out here where you can put your chairs and come out and have your morning coffee. Got a nice side yard here with artificial turf, pavers. Plenty of room for a pool back here if you decided you would like a pool. And there is no one directly behind you. This is a wash, and there is access to a walking trail just down the street right before you get to that little park that I showed you in the beginning. But nice separation between you and your neighbors across the way. And again, really large backyard, plenty of room if you wanted to add fruit trees or a pool. This home does face east-west, so you will get the afternoon sun. Add a little pergola shade feature to the back here if you wanted. But nice and open. Here's what I love about this home and why I think it's such a great opportunity. It sits steps from that little park that I showed you at the very beginning, and also a trailhead is super close. So if you like to get outside and take some trails, this home sits just down from a trailhead. And in addition, it's smack dab in between two of the large parks here in Tartesso. The community park has tennis courts, it has volleyball courts, splash pads, and play structures for kids. And then the other large park is Tartesso Community Sports Park, and this has your baseball fields, basketball courts, tennis, and playgrounds as well, also splash pads. They also stage food trucks here on Friday nights, because there's not a lot of restaurants out in this area. So if you purchase this home, you could ride your bike, golf cart, or drive your car down there and meet your neighbors and sit with a lot of food trucks and music. And they also do farmers markets and things when it's a little bit cooler out. There are also two elementary schools here in Tartesso. This home is close to Desert Sunset Elementary School, which is a pre-K through 5th grade school here that you are very close to. And then just about 1.5 miles away is the Tartesso Elementary School, and that is K through 5. We are in the Saddle Mountain Unified School District here, and then there is a middle school that's just up the road and also a high school. Tartesso is in West Buckeye, so we're about 45 miles west of Phoenix, 5 miles to the I-10 freeway, and 13 miles to the closest grocery store, which is located in the city of Buckeye, which is a Fry's or a Walmart, so that's about 20 minutes from here. And Tartesso is slated to have a 500-acre town center. However, there is not a current timeline on when that might break ground. You are 30 miles to Luke Air Force Base and about 45 miles to Phoenix Sky Harbor, and then 24 miles to the Palo Verde generating station. So if you're someone that has a job at this nuclear generating station or one of the many ranches that they have out here in West Buckeye, this home would be great for that commute. This is a great community with lots of potential for home appreciation as commercial continues to come out this way. Costco opened a new location last July, not far from here. So when a Costco opens, you know they have done their due diligence when it comes to growth, and you know that they know what's coming. So I think Tartesso is a great investment opportunity right now, as eventually there will be stores and restaurants and lots of conveniences coming this way. Your homeowners dues here are very low at $87 a month, which covers your common area maintenance. So to wrap up today, while this community is a little bit removed from shopping and the city of Buckeye in general, this home is sitting at a great price point at $340,000. I hope you enjoyed going through this beautiful home today. If you'd like to book a private showing, please reach out. I'd love to take you through it. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I'm a real estate agent that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls every day from people just like you that are thinking about making the move here to Arizona. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out. You can reach me by phone, text, or email, and I'd be more than happy to help. Also, if this is your first time to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new happening here in Arizona. Until next time, thanks for joining me today.